Okay, if your husband has a small drink fridge, maybe in the den, then it's not so far-fetched to want to have an ice maker and drink station in your bedroom, is it? Is it? I don't know, it may seem frivolous, but it's a serious idea from our foods guest today, our friend Amy Richardson. Great to see you. I can't wait for this sell. But here's the thing. We know that more master bedrooms through new builds and remodels are including more appliances like a washer and a dryer, but an ice machine?
Well, it's so funny because he surprised me with it for my birthday. I had no idea.
This is your husband, Owen.
My husband, Owen, and of course he went all out. He did everything crazy, but he bought me it's beautiful mirrored station.
Okay.
And it's like a cupboard, a bar cupboard. And it sits out in the hallway. It's got a mirror above it. And it's just a place that's got the ice machine because I always, every night, I need a drink. I need a drink.
When you're laying in bed doing the wind down.
Yes, I need a drink with ice. And so he came up with this fun idea. So it was filled with Perrier and Diet Coke and a stainless steel ice machine on the top. It's really beautiful with the mirror and everything. It's super
so it's right
reflective.
Outside your bedroom.
Yep, it's right in the landing.
First of all, he nailed it. So let's
He did, and it was such a surprise.
Give Owen a standing ovation for setting the bar for husbands everywhere. Mark, are you listening? But also, I love that it had sort of a design aesthetic too, with the glass and the reflection.
It's so pretty. In fact, it's brought so much light to the hallway.
Pretty.
Who would have thought? But it reflects out the bedroom windows, and so it's super pretty in that spot.
You're really using it?
Oh yes, every night I go, and then I hear Ozma go out and get some too. So everybody's loving it so much.
And it does speak to this elevated kind of luxury way of living. And I say luxury, I know it came in at an fairly affordable price tag, but it's those little pieces or touches you can add to your home that just make life feel a little extra.
Yes, and it does feel special. I mean, I live in an old house and all these new houses have these beautiful ice machines, but this was a way to kind of do it, and to have it right outside the bedroom is so much fun.
Okay, hubbies, we've planted the idea. Owen, set the bar very high, Mr. Owen, thank you. But now teach us how you stock it, how we might pull something like this off in any room of our house.
Okay, so I think just get an ice machine. I actually saw that there was one very similar to this at Walmart for only $88.
Oh, wow.
So I thought that's really affordable. And you just plug it in, and it just makes ice like every few minutes, and it makes like just kind of a nice cube ice. It's not the crushed ice. You have to splurge for those.
Listen, that's the cutest ice cube shape I've ever seen.
But it's pretty good. I turn it off at night because you can hear the ice going through the night.
It clinks down.
Yeah, when we're getting ready for bed, I just turn it on, and then I go get ready, and then when it's time for bed, I just fill it, and then I turn it off.
Are you wearing a fur bathrobe with like a green avocado mask on your face too?
No, but I do. Owen did give me a fur bathrobe from Pottery Barn. That is the luxury bathrobe. In fact, it's so nice, I hardly ever wear it because I don't want to spill on it.
Isn't that funny? Okay, we've got the ice machine. What else?
The ice machine. And then just get yourself some really good glassware to put on it. Like mine has just all old fashions on the top, and I kind of love that look because it's so pretty, and it's just kind of, well, I have some different sizes, but basically that.
And let's be real, you've taught us over the years that TJ Maxx, the DI, you can thrift great glassware.
Yes, and like these sets aren't very expensive. They look really nice. You can spend a lot of money on cut glassware, but these are like maybe $10 for a set of 6.
Okay.
So really affordable. And like this is all kind of just how you can kind of set it up with the drinks you like. I mean, I have Diet Coke in there too.
Sure.
So it's got all the things in the cupboard. And then of course, having kind of a bar station is fun too, if you want to do the bar station.
You know what's funny, and I know you'll meet me here, this is where my brain starts to go. This is economical. In fact, it's saving me money because I'm gonna cut down on my swig bill.
Right?
I mean, we could really spin a campaign here that I think would sell it to husbands everywhere.
I think so. They'd be like, you know how much we're spending? Yeah, which we do.
Okay, are these glass straws?
So these are glass straws, which I think are so fun.
It's the Cinderella slipper of soda.
It is, and it's fun to drink out of them. But you know, there's different types of drinks. This book and the book over here is what my husband gave me with the gift. And it's really, really fun. It's got tons of good drinks in it. This is more of a picture book. It's got some kind of different and weird things in it, but it's so gorgeous.
Yeah.
But this one, I thought, how fun to do a Sunday night drink night where you make a recipe out of there and just kind of a fun thing. The recipes I made today aren't from this cookbook. They're original, but I thought that this was a good starter.
Oh, we have recipes too. Let's get going. What do we got?
Okay, so
anything else? Sorry, not to rush.
Just kind of fun bar type equipment that maybe if you want to set this up, this is over years I've set this up, but you know, this is like to press your lemons. These are retro. This is an ice crusher.
This presses your lemon?
Yeah, it's like squeezes down.
Oh.
It's fun, like a juice-o-matic, I think is what it's
Very
called.
cool, okay.
Soda siphon, you know, this is old too. This is like from the 1930s. It's just a regular, but I've seen them at Target recently. So you can, like maybe like 6 months ago, I saw them in there. So I think that that's something you could get. And then a muddler, which we're gonna use today, and an ice crusher. So kind of some fun things, but collect them over time and just find it when you see it, pick it up.
I'm
kind
inspired to step up my drink game in this very moment. What's our first mocktail?
Okay, so we have Egyptian lemonade.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, so it's got milk in it. You can use milk. And wait, let's pour this into there.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, no, that was still really good. I loved it. Okay.
That was still, loved it. Stop. Just stop what you're doing. I loved it, but
okay,
stop.
so in Egyptian lemonade, it's milk. So you can use half and half if you want to do it super rich, or you can use vitamin D, you know, whole milk or whatever you want.
Okay.
You can either do sugar, or you can do, for a little bit richer one, you can do sweetened condensed milk, and then you do a combination half of
I've
lemon.
never seen sweetened condensed milk in a squeeze tube.
I know, isn't that genius?
Where did you get this?
It was just at the store. I think it was at Smith's.
Hello,
But
no
I
more
thought that that's so
scraping
nice.
a can,
Yeah.
covering it, putting
Especially
it in my fridge.
if you only need like a tablespoon or
Oh my
something
gosh.
like that. And this was just half lemon, half lime. I dumped it.
Okay.
And then that's
So
it.
we've got milk, sugar, lemon, and lime.
Yep, and then that's it. And that is Egyptian lemonade, and it is so good. And then you just kind of stir it up.
Yum.
And it's really refreshing. And
Okay.
you think milk, I don't
Switch
know
me.
about milk.
Correct.
Okay,
What's
so
next?
the next one is our peach, the Southern Peach Melba Smash, because you use a muddler.
Oh, okay.
So what you want to do is you want to put your peaches in there, and you're gonna, a muddler is just kind of presses it down, and it's smashes the fruit. A lot of times in recipes, you might like do it to this point and get everything in, and this actually is genius.
What is that?
It is preserves. So you could make any drink with preserves if you want to. Strawberry, cherry, apricot, blackberry.
So that takes the place of like the mango puree I get at the soda shop.
Right, right.
Right?
Right, and you can just put it in there. I thought, whoever thought of that, that is a genius idea. And you just put that in here, and then what we're gonna add to it is lemon juice.
Okay.
And ice. Let's get some ice in there.
You bet.
And then we need
You bet Melba? Isn't that what this is called?
Yeah, Melba.
Melba.
Southern, yeah, it is.
We love her, whoever she is.
Let's fill it all the way to the top.
Okay. That was my thought too, but I just wanted to make sure we were in line.
I love extra ice. Don't you think that extra ice is what makes the beverage
What is
taste
this?
different? This is simple syrup. You can make simple syrup if you want. It's just equal ratios of water and sugar. And then you just boil it, and then you cool it. Or you can buy it.
Okay.
So, and then that's pretty much it. And then you just top it with, you know, fresh peach slices. And
Can I try one of these glass straws? Because I've always wanted to.
yeah,
Amy,
stir
fantastic.
it around.
Okay.
Okay, the
more.
last one. So 3 methods. This
got
is the last
20
method.
seconds. Ready, set, go.
I can do homemade chocolate syrup. Chocolate syrup and almond milk and chocolate chips. And fresh mint makes this blended drink with ice. And you just blend it up in the blender, put a couple sprigs of lime in there, and
Ice.
mint and ice.
And then
you've
blend?
got, and you blend it, and you've got this delicious slush.
Kind of a milk shakey shake.
Yep, super fun with the fresh mint.
All right, 3 recipes that you can make when you have your very own master bedroom, primary bedroom retreat.
Right?
Bar car retreat, soda car retreat. All right, the bar has been set. Thank you so much. You'll get more recipes and party flair just like this from Amy on Instagram. How can we connect?
Just follow me on Great Taste Buds.
All right, I will be drinking my calories today. No shame, no guilt either. Thank you. Great Taste Buds on Instagram. Find her there.